been a while since I've done a cold start. Let's go ahead and do one now. Welcome back, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are staying nice and warm out there with this crazy weather. But anyways, we have another short episode for you guys today, and this involves the black Mustang. We have a medallion to go on it to replace the ugly chrome one that it has right now. It's gonna match the whole look of the car. We're just gonna go ahead and we'll go ahead right into it. And yeah. And well, here we have it. It's the Mustang, the one that started the channel. This is the 4-liter V6 Mustang. It's got everything done to it. Not really. I guess the most exciting parts are the side exhausts and just the many mods I've done to it. And if you want to know what they are, go ahead and look back through all my episodes. Pretty much, I have everything that you need to know on this car already on the channel. So go back, look through there, leave a like, leave a subscription. But today we are going to get rid of this mess right here. So we're going to be taking this off. I'm finally going to be taking off the 4.0 badge. It's time to get rid of all this chrome that it's got. Doesn't need it. Don't look good. It's time for it to go. Now we do have the American Racing deep dish rims on here, which give it just a nice touch. And we also have the fuel door here on the side. I don't know if you can see that. It says Mustang on it. But that's the same style as a medallion that we're gonna have, and I have it actually over here. So the medallion, here it is. I actually got it from American Muscle. They always treat me nice. So this is it. It's got the full function there. This is with it open. Leave space for the keyhole. Everything else, it's gonna be replacing that right there. Oh man, that looks good. All right. So we're gonna start out, we're gonna heat this up. I do have a torch. I'm not gonna put it too close because I can't tell if that's plastic or aluminum or something. But I'm gonna heat that up, get some fishing wire, you know, because all behind here is just adhesive. So pop this sucker off, clean all this mess back here, take that off. Let's just get started. Let's get started. Yeah, no. Yeah, that looked terrifying, but it'll be fine. And as you can see there, it's already coming undone. Alright. Woo! That's hot. That's how you do it, folks. That's how you do it. You heat the crap out of it and just pry it out until you hear a pop. Hopefully that wasn't anything too bad. Woo! Alrighty, y'all. So this is still pretty hot. I heated up with that propane torch. The propane torch didn't do anything to the paint. It's still pretty dirty. These two scratches were my fault because I was getting a little ahead of myself. This is really hot though, but heating it up with the torch or hair dryer, it's not going to be hot enough. But if you actually have a heat gun that you're supposed to use with this kind of stuff, use that. But this torch, it took me like 3 minutes to heat this up and pry it out. But yeah, I used one of these things. That's not, I'm gonna let go of that. I used one of these things, covered it with the shirt, pried it out. These two was without it. Obviously, those two scratches. But now that that's off, I'm gonna remove all that and clean this whole back end. And then we'll be back with the new one. Alrighty, also good deal. I got it as clean as it's going to get. Yeah, there's a lot of scratches, but y'all know I'm not too worried about the looks. But I got most of all that adhesive off. I used some Goo Gone. I let it sit there for 15 minutes. I did a couple layers of it. Eventually, all that got, you know, loosened up. I used like a tiny little fine little screwdriver flathead. helped me get all those off. The scratch doctor, I used some scratch doctor, took out most of those scratches, but like I said, I'm not too worried about all the scratches. I'm worried about the general look of the car. So we'll go ahead and begin with the install. Alrighty, so what we have next is to go ahead and line up these two dowels that it has here to the two existing holes that it has. So the black car, I can't really see much. There we go. And there we go. Well, maybe not. I bet a lot of you are cringing at that thought. I'm just like, oh, that's so bad. So pretty much the center of that hole right there is gonna be where you have a 1/8 drill hole thingy. So drill right there, don't go too far in, right in the center of that hole. Just enough for you to get through, which is what I'm gonna do right now. So I'll see y'all after I do that. All right, so we have our hole. You can barely see it, but it's right at the tip of my finger. Next thing we gotta do is at this point, put this back on right where we need it to. And it comes with a sheet metal screw. So that's essentially just gonna go right at the center where we have that there. But I'm gonna paint it black because I just think it makes it look better. Not like that I'm gonna open this all the time, but I'm gonna paint it black because yeah, I'm weird. Alrighty y'all, so I got everything prepped. I got the nail painted or the screw painted and everything. Now I don't know if you have to do this, but I put 3M tape that it came with, and I just put it in certain spots that when I sit it on here, it like hits real bad, so that can kind of cushion the rattling or something like that. So I'm gonna take all this tape off, stick it on there, screw it in. All right, y'all, there is the finished product, and man, does it look good. So I put the screw in there, 3M tape, everything else is all buttoned up to go. And I would say I like the look. Like it.